Hello you guys. Hope everyone is enjoying their Monday afternoon. I just wanted to come on and do a quick video. I'm going to do a one-pot chicken soup, stew, or however you want to call it. I'm going to say soup. But anyway, I'm headed to San Diego, California on Thursday. I'm going to try out some new recipes, go to different restaurants. So when I come back, you guys, we're going to set up for the holidays. And I'm feeling kind of, not really under the weather, but, I'm trying to avoid it. So I'm going to do me some chicken soup, okay? So let's get started. Okay, in this pot here, I have 2 large chicken breasts. I cut up onions. Let's say a half of onion, a whole celery stalk, half a bell pepper, half of red bell pepper, and a half of an onion. And I added 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of celery seed, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. I hope I didn't repeat that. Okay, and to this, I instead of adding the chicken stock at this time, I'm going to take a teaspoon of this Better Than Bouillon roasted chicken base. And what I did a teaspoon and I added 3 cups of water to it. I'll show you guys this. Okay, here is the chicken bouillon base with the water. I mean, it's really rich and it really gives it a very intense chicken flavor. So I'm just going to pour that in here. I want it all the way covered. And I am going to poach this probably for about 20 minutes. Then when I come back, of course I'm going to have to use a bigger pot. And I'm going to strain this because once you do raw chicken, it kind of forms a film. And when I do my chicken soup, I don't like that film in my soup. So I'm going to poach this for about 20 minutes on medium heat. And I'll come back and we'll put the rest of it together. You guys stay connected. Alright, you guys, I've poached the chicken and it took about 20 minutes. So now I'm going to show you guys the vegetables. I am so sorry. I just started putting things in the pot and forgot. Okay, Nut, you're doing a video. But anyway, I want to show you what's in here. I did like 5 carrots and I sliced them up medium thin. I did 1 russet potato, and that's what you see here. I did like 4 celery stalks that I put in here. So there are the celery that you see. And also, I used 1 32 fluid ounce of vegetable broth, low sodium. And to that, I added a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 bay leaves, and I also did a tablespoon of the Better Than Bouillon base. So that was a tablespoon. And also for the chicken, I said a teaspoon. That was a tablespoon also. So be sure and make the correction to that. And I added 2 bouillon cubes. I've already put 1 in, and here is the other one. So here is the other bouillon cube. And I'm going to put it on, let's say medium, for about 12 minutes until the vegetables get fork tender. Then I'll add the chicken and a couple of egg noodles. So when I come back, this chicken vegetable soup will be done. All right, you guys, hang tight. Okay, you guys, these are the last two ingredients. I did like a cup of egg noodles. I only cooked them for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes. The package time says 10, but I only did it for 5 minutes because it's going to finish cooking in the soup. And also, here is the poached chicken. Oh my God, chicken. I will say this. I poached it for 20 minutes, and it came out a little dry to me. I'm going to say poach it for about 12 to 15 minutes, maximum 15 minutes, and the chicken can finish cooking in the soup. Okay, so I'm stirring all this together. And of course I'm going to add some parsley flakes. Wow, you see that beautiful color? And I also didn't tell you guys, I did add 2 bay leaves. Of course, you always take bay leaves out once you're finished cooking. That looks beautiful. So if you have sinus or you have a cold, please try this recipe. I think it will do you justice. All right, gonna plate it up. And we are done. All right, be right back. We are done, done. All right, you guys, here is the finished product of the chicken vegetable soup. You guys have to try this recipe, especially if you have a cold, your kids have a cold. I mean, it's packed with vitamin C, with the carrots, the celery, and this wonderful vegetable broth. And of course, you know me, I'm gonna add some Tabasco and a couple of these mini crackers. But anyway, you guys, thanks for watching. Thank you for all of my new subscribers who have subscribed to my channel, and thanks to all of my old ones who are hanging with me. You won't regret it, you guys, because what I got coming up for the holiday is going to be pretty awesome. Please share and subscribe. Until next time, God bless you.